Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I hope you are feeling good today. I am so happy to see you again.
Hi, Cora. I am feeling wonderful. Honestly, I am just so excited to talk to our friends at home today. We have a very special topic, right?
That is right, David. Today we are talking about English conversation between two friends. We want to show you that talking in English is not scary. It is actually very fun.
You know, Cora, many students tell me, David, I can read English well, but when I see a friend, my mind goes blank. I forget everything.
Oh, I understand that feeling. It happens to everyone. When we get nervous, our brain locks the door. Today, we are going to unlock that door. We're going to use very simple words and short sentences.
That sounds like a plan. So, Cora, let's start with a real conversation. Let's pretend it is Monday morning and we are meeting for coffee.
Okay, let's do it.
Hi, Cora. How was your weekend? Did you do anything fun?
Hi, David. My weekend was very relaxing. On Saturday, I went to a small market near my house. I bought some fresh fruit and a new book. What about you?
My weekend was a bit more active. I went for a long bike ride on Sunday. The sun was shining and the park was very beautiful.
That sounds lovely. Were you tired after the bike ride?
A little bit, but I felt very healthy. After the ride, I came home and cooked a big dinner for my family.
Wait, you cooked? What did you make?
I made some pasta with chicken and vegetables. Everyone liked it.
Wow, David, you are a great cook and a great friend.
Thank you, Cora.
Now, listeners, did you hear that? We used very simple past tense. I went, I bought, I cooked. You don't need difficult grammar to tell a story.
Exactly. And did you notice how Cora asked me a question back? She said, "What about you?" This is a very important tip for conversation.
Yes, conversation is like a game of catch. I throw the ball to David and David throws it back to me. If I only talk about myself, the game stops.
Right. If Cora says, "I went to the market," and I just say, "Okay," the conversation dies. It becomes very quiet and awkward.
So tip number 1 for today, always ask a question back. It shows you are interested in your friend.
That is a great tip. But Cora, what if I don't understand what my friend said? Sometimes people talk very fast.
That is a very good question. If a friend talks too fast, do not panic. Do not just smile and nod if you are confused.
I used to do that all the time. I would just say, "Yes, yes, cool," but I had no idea what was happening.
We have all been there. Instead of pretending, you can say, "I'm sorry, could you say that again?" Or, "Can you speak a little slower, please?"
Is that okay to say to a friend? Won't they think I am not good at English?
No, not at all. Real friends want you to understand them. Asking for help is a sign of a good learner. It shows you are listening carefully.
Okay, I will try to be more brave and ask for help next time.
Good. Now, let's talk about daily life conversation. What are some things friends usually talk about?
Well, we talk about work, we talk about our families, and we talk about our hobbies. Oh, and we talk about the weather a lot.
Yes, the weather is a classic topic. Let's practice that. David, can you talk about your daily routine? What do you do every day?
Sure. Every morning I wake up at 7 a.m. I drink a glass of water, and then I stretch my body. Then I make breakfast. I usually eat eggs and toast.
That sounds like a very healthy routine. Do you go to work after breakfast?
Yes, I walk to the bus stop at 8:30. I enjoy the walk because I can listen to music or an English podcast.
Wait, that is a great tip for our listeners. Listening practice during your daily routine.
Yes, you don't need to sit at a desk to learn English. You can learn while you walk, while you cook, or even while you clean your house.
I agree. Listening is like food for your brain. If you listen to English every day, your speaking will get better naturally.
It's true. It's like a baby. A baby doesn't study grammar books. A baby just listens to its parents for a long time, and then it starts to speak.
Exactly. Be like a baby. Listen, listen, and listen.
Okay, Cora, we talked about speaking and listening. What about reading and writing? How can we use those to talk better with friends?
That's a great point. Reading helps you learn new words. For example, if you read a blog about travel, you learn words like luggage, passport, or flight. Then you can use those words when you talk to a friend about a vacation.
And writing helps you organize your thoughts. I like to write text messages to my friends in English.
Yes, texting is a wonderful way to practice writing. It is short, it is fast, and you can use emojis.
Emojis make everything easier. If I forget a word for pizza, I can just send a pizza emoji.
Well, try to use the word first, David. But yes, texting is low pressure. You have time to look at your phone and check the spelling.
It's true. It builds my confidence. Speaking of confidence, Cora, how can we help our listeners feel more confident?
Confidence comes from small wins. Don't try to speak perfectly, just try to speak. If you say a sentence and your friend understands you, that is a win.
So progress is better than perfection?
Always. Progress, not perfection. Repeat that with me, David.
Progress, not perfection.
One more time for our friends at home.
Progress, not perfection.
Perfect. Every time you speak, you are getting stronger. Even if you make a mistake, you are learning. A mistake is just a sign that you are trying.
That makes me feel much better. Sometimes I am so afraid of making a mistake that I just stay silent.
Don't stay silent. Be loud, be messy, and be proud. You are learning a whole new language. That is amazing.
You are right, Cora. It is a big achievement.
Let's look at some motivation. Listeners, think about why you want to learn English. Do you want a better job? Do you want to make friends from different countries? Do you want to watch movies without subtitles?
My why is travel. I want to go to London and order fish and chips in English.
That is a great goal. Think about your goal every day. It will give you the energy to keep going when things feel difficult.
Cora, we are coming to the end of our podcast. Can we give our 3 simple tips for today?
Yes, of course. These are 3 things you can do today to improve your conversation skills.
Okay, I will give the first one. Tip number 1, the mirror talk. Every morning, look in the mirror and talk to yourself for 2 minutes. Tell yourself your plans for the day. Today, I will go to the market. I will finish my work. I will be happy.
That is a great tip. It helps you get used to the sound of your own voice in English. Tip number 2, use fillers. When you are thinking of a word, don't be silent. Use words like, well, or let me see.
Oh, like,
Yes, it sounds more natural, and it gives your brain a few seconds to find the right word.
I like that. Well, let me think. It sounds very professional.
It does. And tip number 3, find a speaking buddy. This can be a friend, a sister, a brother, or an online partner. Just find someone you feel comfortable with and practice for 10 minutes every day.
Consistency is key, right?
Exactly. Doing a little bit every day is much better than doing a lot just once a week.
Wow, Cora, I feel like we learned so much today. We talked about weekend plans, daily routines, listening, reading, writing, and how to stay confident.
We did. And most importantly, we showed that English conversation is just about 2 people sharing their lives.
Thank you, Cora. I really enjoyed our talk today.
Me too, David. And thank you to all our listeners. You are doing a great job. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and don't give up.
We are proud of you. See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone. Have a beautiful day.
Bye-bye. Oh, Cora, wait, one more thing.
Yes, David?
I'm really hungry now after talking about that pasta. Can we go get some lunch?
Yes, David, let's go. But we have to order in English.
Deal, let's go.